Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a little bit of a different area. As you can tell, I'm filming in my living room. I haven't been able to film anywhere but my beauty room only because I didn't have a ring light. And my amazing husband bought me one for my birthday, so I'm pretty excited. I feel like it is gonna change up the vibe of the video, something different to look at, and now I can film, you know, anywhere pretty much in my house and not look like I'm filming in a dungeon. So I'm pretty excited about that. So today I thought, you know, with the holidays being over and Christmas is past and I'm kind of sad about it. I still have my Christmas tree up. I'm looking at it right now. It's over here. And I really don't want to take down my Christmas decorations. So I thought I would do just one holiday-esque video. I haven't done any on my channel, but I have a few Sephora gift boxes that I picked up when they had their 20% off sale. So I figured that I would do a little haul for you guys, a little unboxing. And then if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will do a first impressions video kind of showing you guys what worked, what didn't, what's worth your money. Because even though they don't have the gift boxes anymore, you can still purchase them individually. I just thought I got a lot more bang for my buck buying the gift sets, and then I get to try a little bit of everything. You guys, I have shown so much restraint by not opening these and unboxing them to take a look at them before you guys see this video. I've had these for about a week and a half and I have not touched the boxes. I've taken them out of the shipping box and that's about it. I didn't open them up, look at them, touch them. So I am so excited to get into these, and if anybody knows me, I'm not a patient person, so waiting this long to open this stuff is a gold star in my books because I am not patient. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see me unbox some goodies, please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that I got was the Glam Glow, the Art of Glowing Skin Superstar set. So this comes with a full-size Super Mud, a Gravity Mud pink glitter mask in a smaller tube, and then it comes with a Gravity Mud in purple. So two Gravity Muds, just different colors. One's full-size, one's a little tube. And yeah, I've actually never tried anything from Glam Glow, so I'm pretty excited to try this kit out and see what it does for my skin, because my skin has actually been really good to me lately. I've been masking a lot. I tried the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay mask, I think it is. And that one I think really did well for my skin. So I'm hoping, ooh, good. So I'm just gonna see what's in here. So yeah, we have the Glam Glow Gravity Mud, the pink glitter mask. Oh! Alright, so I guess they're all Gravity Mud. Okay, yeah, they're all Gravity Mud, but hey, they're all different. This one's glittery and pink, and it's cute. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's pink. So I'll try these off camera. I'll let you guys know how they are. So yeah, there's the Gravity Mud right there. This is the pink glitter one. We also have the purple Gravity Mud. Let's see here. We have the purple Gravity Mud. So it comes with the... Okay, I can't get it out of the box, guys. So you'll see it comes with the full-size Gravity Mud and then the little spatula right here to put it on, which is pretty neat because I have long nails, so I don't like to get all that gunk underneath my nails, so it's nice when something comes with an application tool. So that's it for the Glam Glow Gravity Mud, the Art of Glowing Skin kit. Oh, and it comes with some little stencils. That's cute. Some little stencils there. So yeah, that's what the kit looks like out of the box. Super cute. I'm really excited to try all of it. Like I said, I've never tried any Glam Glow products, and I got this whole set. I think it was like a, don't quote me on this, but I think it was like $100 value, and I got it for $54, I believe, which is a steal of a deal in my books, because I think that the Glam Glow, just the one full size, is $50 some, so it's well worth it. Next up, I have a Philosophy gift set here. I don't know if you can see there. So this set comes with the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash and the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. This is a $30 value and it was 15 bucks. So it comes in a super cute little box there. I love a deal. Like, getting a bargain really excites me. So getting all these little gift sets that are worth way more than you actually pay for them is really exciting to me. Oh, that's a fair size. So that is the face wash there. So it is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. Really excited to use this. Again, I've never used anything from Philosophy. I bought all these gift sets individually just because I wanted to try a few things from each product line to see if I like them, because I don't want to spend all my money on something and then not like it or it doesn't work out for my skin. And then it also comes with this Purity Made Simple Moisturizer there. Alright, so moving on, this is the last gift box that I got. This is another Philosophy gift set. So this is the 'Tis the Season to Cleanse, Peel, and Treat gift set. So this one comes with the Purity Made Simple Cleanser, the Micro Delivery Resurfacing Peel, which I'm really excited about because I do have a lot of dark spots from acne when I was younger. So I'm hoping that this will really brighten up my skin and get rid of those dark spots. This also has so there is actually 2 steps to the Micro Delivery Resurfacing Peel. So I think this guy right here is step 1, and then this guy right here is step 2. And then the last thing is Renewed Hope in a Jar. It's Refreshing and Refining Moisturizer. So yeah, it's a little 4-piece set. I don't know how much this was, but I know that I got all of these things. I got all 3 gift sets. It was like 90 bucks, I think, was my total. So, I mean, this stuff is worth way more than that, probably at least a couple $100. So I think I got a really, really good deal on all of this. I'm going to try this out, and I really hope that I enjoy at least some of the products. I will let you guys know how I like them, and I will do a little bit of a review on these products after I try them, maybe in a couple weeks. Alright, so I have 2 more products that I want to show you guys. They aren't gift sets or part of gift sets. These I actually purchased about a week before the rest of this stuff, but I thought that I would add them in here because I am really excited to try this one especially. So first of all, I have the Buxom full-on lip cream. I think it's like it tingles a bit, so it's a little bit plumping. Nothing crazy, but I just like the color of it, and I like that it's not sticky. I'm not a big gloss person, but I do love this one. And this is in the shade White Russian. It was like one of the top sellers on the Buxom page on Sephora. So I figured I would try this guy. And then last but not least, I do have the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder Glow. So this is the Glow formula. I saw Jaclyn Hill using it in a video, and her skin is just bomb. It's so beautiful, and this is a product that she has been swearing by. So I wanted to try it. If it's good enough for Jaclyn Hill, it's good enough for me. I really am excited to try this. I probably wouldn't use it to set my under eye or anything like that, but to like set your cheeks and your chin maybe, just to give you like a little bit of an extra glow. I'm really excited to try this guy. I think that's everything that I have for you guys. Like I said, I will do a little review of these products. I'll do another video in a couple weeks to let you guys know how I like these products. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And that's about it. That's all I have for you guys today. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.